you want to make it flat in some way so that it's nice and safe.
Today we're going to teach students knife skills, and the specific knife skills will be cutting melons. So this teaches them how to use those skills at home and to be able to build something nice and fun like fruit cups.
First we learned smoothies, and then we learned about eggs, and then we learned about smoothies and sustainability with smoothies, which is something I really like that he brought up. Sustainability. I want to be able to live on my own, and I'm kind of nervous that I won't be able to, so it's important for me to be taught that sustainability for food.
In the future, I do want my own apartment, and I want to be my own cook, not have to go out every night for food, and just be able to make my own recipes.
We really want students to not only learn the nutrition aspect of food, but also learn how to cook and use those items.
Did it.
Chef, we have a question down here.